Ebusuafo I ene me ma wakwaba edeba Xposed G so ensembi etwi kobreman I ensembi nam abe fontain time so na we ena me say ensem abe yenua bema a worry Bridget Otoo ye TV presenter a one of our sister stations ni bi no I ni kunu no wabeka ensembi on Twitter na asem no obeka on Twitter no ni nyina ne say utie Tema traditional council no have exposed something omo rich culture chese omo hini bi ewu na wo hini na awu no utumu say enra no ya shembra say from say enne ekosi Sunday no mo obi anton ade ene mo obi ampo MBA shop. You understand? Now when na ye kan ye no ena nkofo dia ba Twitter ena o ma be ka na ebi mu comment ne say ai we dey jimie say ya sebio we ya na Ghana foni sebe we ya na nkanfo so ye den enim we ena ye nua bema Bridget Otoo ni kunu o Twitter Twitter tie obi ena post here about the EA 30 PhD or say the final funeral rite of the late Tema Mancheni Ajay Kraku II begins today with the first Farfo means river crossing. And I say just stay home between 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. if you think our culture is a cake. Pack your things and go back to your hometown. Now, when I see Anna Obisuma comment be I say Jimmy sir, when you get to your hometown, Jimmy sir, a ho and ma Obisuma say when you go to your hometown, then you tell your chief this. You people come here and just talk anyhow. I hear me say, Tema man temu, any ashama man temuna, omu chief yi, and omu crown in chair, nuclear chika crown. Ebi mo omu bo my way, especially a crown, omu bo and drum. Meaning they don't understand, they don't get the reason why you better to do your shop mo. But let me give you a gist about this issue. Ahano mamike bincho Ashiama any Tema. On said Tema ni Ashiama na sopa. Yes. Ashiama di eka Ashiama a very big place. Because a danu be me faka. Na me faka na yesi yakwa Ashiama New Town. Me fa me do on yesi yakwa dey Ashiama New York. Driver biasi wonko. And me say na driver biasi wonko say na baby Ashiama New York ni wono. A whole coin nya enye but the my try ensem no so it was awesome. But just recently say who nim make control the queen mother of Abeka and tell be ena ma be free mu we free and ye ready say ye be na yie hwe amamre ene mra wo honti hwe yema amfo na omo Okankwe South Central municipality no ediomo emeka no kwa around ko kache nkofo se ye ba besie kwen mada no iti wa mo wa wo ton ade wa wo bie shop obie close to the shop no free and Friday no ekosi Sunday e mo wo bie shop. That is what notice ya de maye but do Friday no bo say na me kwa atuma na within the Abeka environment no bo say ebi mo ben baby a palace no bebre no omo de obi ma bi omo shops na yes ade e chika na me tete he me hu so mo nim omo bi omo shop no omo to ade de ye omo no. They show them say culture is a culture I was so obey emra iti way na me ka che nkofo omo free e kro wo draw so abagana ha. Let me tell you something, obia any culture, and I am telling you this. So what come no folklore? No mo catch us say close your shop. Now what the woman say won't close your shop. They will deal with you. The Ashanti's culture is very rich. It is very rich because the people there respect the culture. Argentina because though it is the capital city, the capital town we are living, some people have decided not to give these people their respect. And today I back myself with this guy, Bridget Otoo. I saw Bridget Otoo so don't know and with the family. But with what he has said, no, I back it. Semoshana krat na enyamo there. Mo pack mu no mana mo kumukuro. Akanfo are making other people from other tribe feeling inferior in the society. Say akanfo ya dia eyefe. But other tribes say ya dia yay. Adentia. It runs traditionally say tribatically no. It runs through that. Politically no. It runs through that. Akanfo always want to see themselves better than the other tribes. Why? Because me tell this idea see onipa woye kleni sebi onipa woye ibeni onipa woye nordna. You see, and let me tell you something. All these other tribes are Akanfo Mbuno. When they go to their hometowns, they don't even joke with their tradition. But I don't know why I incline for the Boni or my Yachire Ghana for whenever they are doing anything culturally and in a ritual way, no, a problem to other people. To the extent, say, even one time you were Ghana and a video between Jesse Teshi baby, yeah, Fashabi, Naya Kumutopa, na police Wabejinim. Sa Santifone Beyo culture, I'm asking you Ghanaians who will police even have time to go and stop some people? Like, come on, what is going on? If you think living in Accra, and Accra is for the president or because of Danamra, so you got to know Kumasina Kufado may develop your mouth. So you got to know Ukuro. Now you develop your Kuneja Accra Mao. It is their culture, and you have to respect that. And now 3 days no mobile side here, I'm telling you. Aya Deya Ebekum. Abakaya Mukati Obia, so be a tutu shop near Queen Made. Aya, you see Queen Madan. Yambeka say for a year. Even to the extent say you want cophobia and asophobia tina solid them. No more kasi I they want to even talk against drum and noise making during that June July now in California no. Yenye de no. Yenye cophobia Ghana how omo di omo si hey. Yenti bi da ye de ya bremo de bia yenja de yenja di. Me one time I went to the church and I condemn my pastors. Me come out get you because I yes Christo be woman and I yes Christo be woman yes I nyoma we na ya bosumsum. I want to catch you say I then I yan kwa ya all the Christo for the bia yes Christo gunu ya ne yakuma no. I then I yan so yan kwa ne yakuma no. I nkofo no so mo kwa mo nyame aha yo masase. And the yes Christo pass as bi ma ne yankotena so ne yansum no. Obviously the tradition, and yes, why are we doing this? If they be no noise making, any no drumming, they be a gusuko. What is this? For 1 month, obi the din asase. See, let me tell you something. When you go to the Equiapims, there are days be wa yanke broadway, and it is the law. Omo moto ade ni na that day no. What to me ka benku. And I make natural. And they respect that. There is a particular day. They don't count a Brodian, especially Bankupo. They don't do it. It is their tradition. It's what Chinabi, now developing and people start living there. Then we will go and say there's a boom and because their rituals are now their tradition is a cake. What are you talking about? Mama, you respect here, because en confronta ye so ma be ni o ma independence constitution about man mukra no enye ye hu ne ye mo dwen o ye mo kotoko mu mu sika o mo be di e no mo dwen ye ho. We wake up and we make money na agova do si no wa ma ne ba $25 million so find plenty Ghana I on find out no design Ghana was se woni ma ko airport na go hwe de ne mani bu mu ya mo contract no matter foundation. These are people Mahama ne nkofo ne mo fly nyoma e de ko a confirm fly ko Burkina. Those people here felicits omo no ye current omo no ye current na constitution ni biaba eni biafu am crowd sabi omo chimi sin adan ye yes our man we mu. Why are we doing this? Mibo, when the Queen Mother of UK died about social media, and listen, look at something. Now, yet the goats upon check a DNM. Say sheep o, say tell near the dienim, you could try to deny a sacrifice at the mama meno. A place that we think they are westernized, they have been developed. Wabeka tira say I told waboson sum to one. I saw chrono, grandmother ni wuno, even though they go to their churches, they did the ritual for the woman before she died. Ansana yes you know. Bronini himself tradition be wa and was say you follow to your travel dying. What the men would any dear? Yet ye a twatching Bibini, Sabi, ye Jimmy any dear, a cosso, a yatra, and a yenny be an air day. Yenny be any dear, and comfort and call them among your feminist nana. Yenny be any say your chumuchumunana. Yenny be any chess, I was said, young crown, young fufa, any man that walk and employees and our doors, and any be an abano. Now, so tell me your tradition war. How will you know? How dare you to even solicit when tradition was there? How dare you so cool be back or four be back and any day free? How dare you? How dare you so be one who say we are gay, we are lesbian, we are bow, you are coming to use your right. It told you feel or cratchy. Your tradition won't share the my inferior. And that gets be brace out about Bema Bakwa. Also, Bema Baku Nam Ghana or dating by 5 a man is almost serious boyfriend. They don't know who to go for. Hey, can any tradition be a? Can those women are safe to know say Bema or dating by 5? It's and I wish to be seen says a social media no platform na the pay and will be or social media. Now can you just personally? Then we deal with them. Tradition is tradition. You respect each and everyone's tribe and tradition and rituals. Fair. Why criticize it? Namia medi jumedie ebro medi lemo elikem kwame amega obetime aframe efokent aha Xposed GH na me catch us subscribe e share no obisun san den enkebi so what I say I also obia respect the tribe and the tradition very very good before they be cassette racism na nyoma ma yankasa the most racist in our society yankasa etan ye ho enye emboaye eyi muni papa mono discrimination e dozen yen respect ye ho and ebeboaye so na me catch us say I edwumeko ebo me dwumedie ebro medin die nutrifin say enkofo bia ma ne bebo chances nye den ma I friend ne ekosibro nya ho promotion on your workmanship from no new mudika so boom na me say catch us say onia share no be sun san enka video I Ghana no was saying semono ebi wo aha no ye pepem e biebiem nsem no emba ma ye me ka ho asem keke it na hire the right place we also on issues we break it down for you ebusianfo that send there ebeseshia bye bye.
Mira, the we are in Sway Esifa Bay. Now a damn has sent Sunny, and then the one for me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in fraud of it. A bram see the way. No major what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, confine neat roofing system for no matter dying so my and I'll call for a quantum for my time. I'm about dying so I share, then I knew you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for summer walking. A damn pan, a dance from what, chinching, as I said, one, and a sound boy dance from my end. Or Uti, when says, he can't wire thing, and I will yard the answer. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama ye. And unti, and I'm a share will say, confine neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay mine. Achia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat, the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, red cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka home dia, any Natron Safre, neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor Danasumawa, a chaye pa, and it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion chenche pan or diapa. Say de, if it's sabre, equasi say, ye betty bronya bury no, open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and cobo down Sumawa, a candia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka, near do a chi aqua down swama free. I won't tiare. As I mind casting in pattern, neat roofing system for Abbey among Crabatani Bio, Parker so Proto Station, store number 44, I and GRA office.
service ni di nhwanimu emu nkyeremu bia no frɛ neat roofing system for ɛwɔ 0553 817122 ɛna 0557 453973
Neat roofing system, and quality is our hallmark.
Oh,